YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Now let's get into today's video. So today is April 15th. So what does that mean? If you guys have been on the channel, I guess for all of 2020, you know what I'm saying? If you've been watching all of my videos this year, then you know that my goal is to hit 500 subscribers by May 15th, meaning today we are 1 month away from that goal. If you guys want a giveaway, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. We are 102 subscribers away. At least last time I checked, we were at 398, just under 400 subscribers. It's going to be a stretch, but just make sure you guys hit that red button. I'm going to try to keep getting content out so you guys can see my videos and subscribe. Now, let's get into today's video. So today is, like I said, April 15th. You know what I'm saying? 2020. So tomorrow is a shoe that I think I am the only person in sneaker YouTube that's looking forward to it. No, let me not say that. I'm not the only person that's looking forward to it. I think I'm one of the only people that'll admittedly say they're looking forward to it. And that is the Jordan 4. It has a billion names. The official colorway of it that has been given is the Lucid Green. Whether it's the Rasta 4, the Carnival 4, the Do the Right Thing 4. Whatever it is fire. I want it on my feet. Want it in my collection. It's coming out in women's sizes, women's extended sizes. And it's coming out tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will be copying a pair of those. Don't think too many people are going to try to get them, so I should be fine. Should be able to get my size. Now, also coming up this weekend, we have the DMP 6s coming out. This is a shoe that a lot of people are excited for, and it's not a bad sneaker. Don't get me wrong, it's not a bad sneaker, but it's not a sneaker that I'm going for, and part of the reason is I've been trying to diversify my sneaker color palette, especially when it comes to Jordan. So you guys see a lot of colors behind me right now, but could you see? I don't know if you could see the, you can't see down there. But most of my Jordans that I have are black. Most of my Jordans that I have and wear are mainly black colorways, whether it's the Black Cat 4 or the Black Laser Gun Bottom 4 or the Black Cement 3, Animal Instinct 3 is black. My first ever Jordan Chrome 8s, and the list goes on and on. Bunch of just black Jordans. So the DMP 6 is not, I don't think it's going to have too much resale value, especially because of how much has been pushed back, and there may be restocks later. So I just won't be going for it at all. If I know somebody that has them, I'll try to get my hands on them to do a review for you guys. But that is my reasoning for not going for those. I am just trying to slow down on buying black shoes, particularly black Jordans. Now, as far as my buy what you like segment that I said was coming up, it's still coming up. The sneaker that I ordered almost about 2 weeks ago now is supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So that's another thing I want to touch on. As far as not just Nike, so I did buy these from Nike.com, not the sneakers app, but not just Nike, but pretty much anywhere where you're ordering sneakers or you're ordering anything. You guys, be patient. You know what I'm saying? Be patient. I know a lot of people are losing their mind. When are my court purples going to get in hand? Like, my court purples are on the way. I know I paid for them. I know they'll get here. And when they get here, you guys will get a review. You'll get an unboxing. You'll get a blah, 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 on foot, all of that stuff. Probably do a lace tutorial with those two. Anyways, you guys, or not you guys, but just people in general, you got to remember that this
coronavirus
situation that's going on right now is serious. So a lot of companies are lowering their staff, which makes it harder to do things in a timely amount. So there's not as many people working at Nike factories or wherever they ship everything out from right now. They're not making shoes in China right now, and there's a lot less people working for the shipping companies right now, whether it's UPS, FedEx, USPS, whatever it is. So things are going to come a little bit later, and I'm okay with that. As long as I know that I'm going to get it, it is what it is. It's the world we live in right now. Just make sure you're staying inside and staying safe, but everything you ordered will get to you. But like I said, that was just a quick video. Really, the main point of this video is to let y'all know we are 1 month away from the 500 subscriber getaway, but we got to get to 500 subscribers first. So let's do it. We got 30-ish days to get to that mark. So let's do that. Hit that red button, hit that bell. Stay safe, stay inside. Let me know down below if you guys are picking up these roster 4s or carnival 4s or do the right thing 4s or lucid green 4s, whatever you want to call them, that's coming out tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if you're going to pick those up. One more time, because I can't remember if I said it or not, but like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. It is your boy, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And do not forget, it is all about the sneakers.